Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI score weekly constituents. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here we click on AI score and you will enter. In this window of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page we click in this window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you will turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.